Let's talk adding and configuring tax rates in Flashquotes. To do that, click in the top left, go to Settings, and then click on Tax Rates. From there, you'll see all the tax rates that you may have already added, and you can click Create Tax Rate to add a tax rate name and rate that can be used on quotes and invoices. If we go back to our pipeline and click on one of our quotes, we'll see the quote details page, and we'll see where we can choose the tax rate and change it to automatically reflect the tax that's relevant for that area. As soon as that item is booked, we will automatically create an invoice that also has that tax rate. So if I were to jump to some invoices here, in our invoices section, I can click on an invoice and see the invoice details, and I can see the tax rates that are also available here. And it will be automatically selected based off of your quote location, your default tax rate, and the quoted tax rate will be used when creating the invoice. And that is sales tax rates in Flashquotes.